Yes, today is Thursday, March 29th, 2018. I am down to 217 pounds, 217 pounds from 230 pounds since last Monday. So that's 11 days, really 10 because I weighed myself this morning. So that's actually only a 0.2 pound loss since yesterday, which is, I don't know, a little discouraging, but hey, a loss is a loss. It's better than a gain, and it's better than remaining stagnant, so I'll take it. And I'm confident that I'll make up for that. So not a big deal. So just a real quick rundown of my day. Again, fasted through breakfast. For lunch, I just had some Brussels sprouts. That was it, and they were well worth it. I'm, again, not a huge fan of Brussels sprouts, but you roast them right, and they're pretty good. And I got to tell you, the energy that you get from eating them is just phenomenal. And when that's all you're eating, at least for me, after fasting all morning, it was a good lunch. So, and then for dinner we had a chicken hash. It's actually a Whole30 recipe. It's from the Whole30 book. I will leave the recipe for that on my blog, and you can find the link for that in the description below. So, I guess that's really all I have for today. If you want to know more about Whole30 or intermittent fasting, you can again check out my blog. I'll leave I'll leave the link for that down there too, to take you right to those posts. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.